In this video, we will talk about organizers. If you need to onboard a new client or you need a long list of information, organizers are a great way to capture that information. Think Google Forms, except fully integrated into the rest of your portal. Let's look at an example here. We have ready-made templates that you can take as is, modify, or you can create your own. A few reasons why our clients love organizers so much. Your client responses auto-save, so they never have to worry about losing data or remembering to save. Plus, if they are a recurring client and have to fill out the same questionnaire every year, their responses will be saved and pre-filled for them in the future. Your clients can attach files directly in the form, so you can say, "Please upload a copy of your driver's license," and they can do that right there. Your clients can repeat sections, which allows them to provide information about items of the same category, like multiple dependents, rental properties, etc. The organizer is smart, so you can show or hide entire sections based on client answers. For example, you can ask the question about marital status. If they answer married, it will automatically show questions related to a spouse, better user experience for your clients, and more targeted answers for you, just like if you were interviewing in your office. You can automatically tag your clients so you can make different organizers for different clients. Organizer answers are exportable and printable for easy access to your client information.